I'm gonna say sorry if you can hear my AC, but according to my car, it's 95 degrees outside, but it feels like it's like 195 degrees out. So I'm sitting outside of my, of my hair appointment, I should say. So this is all the hair I'm working with. It's pretty long, like, I haven't had it that long in so long. But I think I'm gonna cut it to probably there. That still looks like a good length, right? Because I need to still be able to put it up. Wow, it's a lot of hair. Look at all that. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a little before shot before I go in. Excuse my appearance. I just got out of work and I literally just pulled my hair out of the ponytail. So that's why it looks really shitty and I didn't brush it or anything. On a serious note, so today is July 20th, and when I got out of work, I saw a headline and also got a text message from my friend Caitlin that the lead singer of Linkin Park unfortunately committed suicide, and I'm really sad about that because it should never be an option, but obviously he had his reasons, I guess. But I'm really sad about it. I was supposed to see them next week, but I completely understand if the band cancels the show or the tour, because that's not a good foot to start off the tour on. So yeah, that's all I really have to say about it. Rest in peace, Chester Bennington. You helped me through middle school. Linkin Park is one of my favorite bands in middle school. You helped me get through a lot of angst. Yeah, I hope you're back with your friend Chris Cornell. And yeah, rest in peace, bud. And yeah, rest in peace. That being said, I think I'm just gonna go in early because I'm gonna get it cut, but I'm also gonna ask to go blonde. So we'll see what happens. Oh, one last little tidbit. I was at work today and one of the little girls in my class, I had a pen in my ponytail. She came over and like thought I was trying to play a game with her. So she tried to rip it out of my head, and when she like tried to grab it, she missed and hit my glasses, and my glasses hit my nose ring. And it hurt, and I almost cried in front of my 3 one-year-olds. It was lovely. So yeah, I'm gonna go in now, get my hair cut, and hair did probably. So yeah, here's the before. Here's all of it. I'll see you guys after. You guys ready? It looks pretty different, but not completely different, but I'm still completely obsessed with it. Oh, the seatbelt's in the way. Look at it. It's all pretty and cut and lovely, and yay. I'm really obsessed with it. It looks really good. I think it looks good with the this, and yeah, I love it. Thank you so much, Pam at Exposure Hair in Framingham. Look it up. Go there if you can. The girl I see all the time is Pam, one of my mom's friends from high school, and she's a sweetheart. She's amazing. She cuts hair really well, and yeah, she makes you feel like beautiful. She also cuts guys' hair too, because she's got my mom's other friend from high school's hair right now. And yeah, I'm getting weird looks now, so I'm gonna stop vlogging and get food. And there's a microphone on this, which I love. So you know what? I'm gonna put this in the vlog. I have another person in my vlog. This is Charlotte. Hi. Okay, this isn't an international vlog though, because we're still in America. But she's from Germany! We'll pretend like we're in Germany. Sure, now we are. What?
Wir sind in Deutschland. Wir reden meine Sprache.
Shit. Sprechen Sie Deutsch?
Ja.
However you say a little. I speak a little. Ooh, there's bees and stuff.